famous green Lamborghini.
It's the green Lamborghini, my lords. And
ಅದೇ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಏನು?
on 14th December, a series of vehicles, my lords, travel from Mysore to Coorg on an expedition organized by, my lords, the Lamborghini showroom in Bangalore.
Oh,
It's quite a humorous adventure because, please, my lords,
numerous adventure with numerous Lamborghini.
I am one of the last vehicles which is lagging behind.
Mm.
I, my lords, drive according to the prosecution
Oh.
a little fast.
Little fast.
Please, my lords.
Lamborghini little fast ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
That's the allegation,
Beginning
my
speed is 200.
The complaint, my lords, has come to be registered by a traffic sub-inspector on the basis of information that he saw on my lords' ex-car. The motor vehicle tax of it 1 crore 5 lakh rupees 20 September 25. My lords, each and every newspaper daily has publicized it. Each and every news channel, my lords, across the country has targeted this vehicle. My lords, if it was any other vehicle but for a Lamborghini, my
Any
lords,
other
this would not
colour.
have been an issue.
Any other color.
It's any other.
We'll ask you to do community service.
My lords, I am willing to do that. I have no problem, my lords.
Hmm.
My lords may see
You
the
take
video.
your
my lords.
Lamborghini, park
It is-
there,
It is
do
60
community service and come back. Rajat.
Just Lamborghini car.
Rajat,
driving
yes.
speed.
ಯಾವ್ದಿದು?
This is, my lords, a matter, my lords, where the driver of, my lords, a Lamborghini vehicle is, my lords, arraigned as an accused.
Lamborghini.
Please, my lords.
In
What
fact,
happens, my lords?
you,
It dates back to 14th December. There is no, my lords, no accident, nothing of that sort.
Hmm.
Date back to 14th of December, my lords. On 14th December, a series of vehicles, my lords, travel from Mysore to Coorg on an expedition organized by, my lords, the Lamborghini showroom in Bangalore.
Oh. Hmm.
And
Green
on the way, my lords,
Famous green Lamborghini.
it's the green Lamborghini, my lords. And
ಅದೇ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಏನು?
I'll explain
ಆತರ,
why it
ಹಾ.
is, my lords.
ಯಾರ್ದಿದು?
No,
ನಿಮ್ದೇ?
no.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Absolutely nothing, my lords. It's quite a humorous adventure because, please, my lords.
Numerous adventure with numerous Lamborghinis.
On 14th, my lords, this journey is undertaken to Coorg.
Hmm.
30 vehicles go, my lords. I am one of the last vehicles which is lagging behind.
Hmm.
I, my lords, drive according to the prosecution
Oh.
a little fast.
Little fast.
Please, my lords.
Lamborghini little fast ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
That's the allegation,
Beginning
my lords.
speed is 200.
My lords, in Bangalore traffic, it is impossible to drive at that pace. That is number one. Number two, my lords, the case in this is, my lords, a suo motu FIR which is registered. The complaint, my lords, has come to be registered by a traffic sub-inspector on the basis of information that he saw on, my lords, ex-car.
Oh,
After a lapse of, my lords,
Escort plaque
1.5 months. And, my lords, for having driven that way, I have paid fine of 8,500 rupees.
ಅದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
My lords, no, I have not driven. My lords,
We will BNS ಪ್ರಕಾರ will ask you to do community service.
My lords, I am willing to do. I am willing to do that. I have no problem, my lords.
Hmm.
My lords may see
You
the
take
video.
your
my lords.
Lamborghini, park
It is-
there,
It is
do
60,
community service and come back in
my lords, it
Lamborghini.
is 60 or 70 kilometers per hour. Maximum, my lords. And if, my lords, this is considered to be dangerous and reckless driving, my lords,
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
half the
ನಾವು
population
ನೋಡಿ.
in the country, my lords,
Yeah,
must face
video
this.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
I have the video, my lords.
I secured the video.
I will also play the video, my lords. And this is,
I asked him.
my lords, this amounts to, my lords, dangerous and reckless driving. My lords, half the vehicles in Karnataka and in the rest of the country, my lords, should be penalized and an FIR must be
Which
registered.
place is this? Bangalore like?
Bangalore, my lords, near Rajarajeshwari Nagar.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್
My lords,
ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Bengaluru
if this
traffic
is, my
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
lords,
ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ.
if this is, my lords,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
considered to be
ಅದೇನದು?
fast,
ಹೌದು.
if this is, my lords, considered to be fast driving, then, my lords, all the vehicles in Karnataka, including myself, my
Bangalore's
lords, an FIR must be
traffic bumper
registered.
to bumper. Where will you go fast?
And even in
Hey.
this case, my lords, there is bumper to bumper.
ಅದನ್ನೇ.
There is bumper to bumper traffic.
ನೀವು zigzag.
My lords, that is the allegation. Yes, the zigzag, my lords, will not amount to dangerous and reckless driving. At the end of the day, my lords, maximum punishment is
Changing
1,000
the silencer.
My lords, at the most, my lords, it may amount to overspeeding, for which fine is rupees
You have
1,000.
created noise, I guess, more.
For which I have paid 8,500 rupees fine, my lords, before the registration of the FIR. 1 month before the registration of the FIR, one and
ಈಗ
a half
ಆಮೇಲೆ
months.
ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಲ್ ವೈರಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
My lords, each and every newspaper daily has publicized it. Each and every news channel, my lords, across the country has targeted this vehicle. My lords, if it was any other vehicle but for a Lamborghini, my
Any
lords,
other
this would not
colour.
have been an issue.
Any other color?
It's any other car, my lords, it would have not been an issue. Only because, my lords, it's a vehicle, it's a high-end vehicle. My lords, it has taken a course which is not to be taken.
Who was
And
driving it?
I'm the driver, my lords. I was driving it.
Oh.
I have
Owner.
to admit, owner ಅಂದ್ರೆ owner ಮಗ, but
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬೋರ್ಗಿನಿ ಶಾಫರ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, the end of the day, absolutely no, it's inherently improbable, my lords, for an offense of this kind to be registered as an FIR. As per my lords, Imran Pratap Gadi, some my lords, if an enquiry could have been conducted prior to registration of the
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ
FIR,
ಮಾಡೋದು.
probably my lords, yes, over speeding,
ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸರ್ has been changed.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I have paid, my lords may take page 20,
ಮಾಡಿ.
That's why FIR is in
my
that
lords,
count.
page number 23, I have paid.
Fine for the silencer
Pay fine and
modification.
My lords, I have paid.
You can't create noise
My
pollution.
lords, I have paid. 1 month back I have paid. And as of
ಏನು for what?
for my lords, the silence, my lords may take page 21. Page 21, my lords. This is, my lords, for the RTO. My lords may see the description there. When intercepted and checked, MB motor
ಆಮೇಲೆ
vehicle
ನಾವು
in
change
full
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
uniform.
Change
found-
ಮಾಡಿ.
Please, my lords.
Change it.
I have changed it. Please, my lords, I have changed it. My lords may see the receipt. And this is, my lords, the letter by the Lamborghini Bangalore showroom to show that as on date, my lords, there is no such retrofitted.
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
There's no such retrofitted silencer. Because in compliance with, my lords, the directions given by the RTO, I have. And my lords, we see the receipt, my lords, page 24, 8,500 rupees I have paid for having committed an offense. I have done it.
ಇದು
My lords, we see this letter
ಇಲ್ಲ,
by the
we'll direct him community service ಮಾಡಿ.
We'll do it, my lords. Problem is, my lords, social media, they pick and choose information.
no, let him come in a Lamborghini and do community service.
That's what I said. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬೋರ್ಗಿನಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬೋರ್ಗಿನಿ ಹೋಗಿ.
My lords,
Anyway,
this
BNS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು.
problem is, my lords, in Label Road, if we see, every third vehicle would undertake such an exercise.
So
No
then
FIR is
every
registered.
vehicle should be booked. That's not a reason for not.
No, I am not saying I am.
See, somebody else not being booked is not a ground for you to be
Problem, why
Overlooked.
I booked, I'll tell, my lords,
We'll see.
this is a Maharashtra registered vehicle.
heard the learned counsel.
That was other illegal.
Rajat, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ.
You know, motor vehicle tax I paid 1 crore 5 lakh rupees 20 September 25.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಒಂದು 10 ಆರ್ಫನೇಜ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. The petitioner, owner of
He is not the owner, his father. The enterprise is the owner.
the petitioner who drove a car of drove a car hyphen Lamborghini has landed himself in soup for the reason that the vehicle was roaring beyond the permitted decibel levels. Therefore, fine is imposed for retrofitting the silencer which was a retrofitted, which would be beyond the original equipment. Therefore, the fine is paid by the petitioner for the roar of the car. It did not stop there. The petitioner is said to have driven the vehicle in a reckless manner on 19 yavattu?
No, 14th December.
On
After
14th December 20.
According to this complaint on 19/1, 14th December is a
But
different.
after that, the vehicle
14
has
December
not come out.
and 19 December, which is captured and was circulated in the social media. Therefore, despite the fine being taken for the aforesaid offences under the provisions of the Motor Vehicles Act, the crime is registered on the score that the petitioner has not changed the retrofitted silencer. The learned counsel Rajat submits that the retrofitted silencer is also now changed and there is no roaring of the vehicle anymore. In the light of the said document, I deem it and the fine being taken, I deem it appropriate to stall further investigation in the case at hand, while appropriate orders would be passed at the time of closure of the proceedings. In the event it is in favor of the petitioner.
Please.
Then an additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. Complaint ನೀವೇ ತಾನೆ? For the respondents.
Request hand delivery, my lords.
Ah,
ಮನೆ
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮುಂದೆ.
No problem. We'll give it.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 3:30 ಇದು ಹಾಫ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈವನ್ 7 o'clock ಹೋದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Oblige.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇದು.
Next week.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ
I will
ಮಾಡಿ.
identify.
Yes.
Lords,
We will
keep
make
it.
this the first case.
Please.
Yes.
First week of February.
Yes.
The matter was heard by Justice M. Nagaprasanna in the Karnataka High Court. After a viral video showed a green Lamborghini allegedly being driven fast on a Bengaluru road, the driver, 27-year-old Chiranth B, challenged the FIR registered by traffic police for rash driving and excessive noise from a modified exhaust. His counsel argued that in Bengaluru's heavy traffic, it was impossible to drive at extreme speeds and that a fine for the exhaust issue had already been paid and the original silencer restored. During the hearing, Justice Nagaprasanna observed that with bumper-to-bumper traffic, it is difficult for any vehicle to move very fast and remarked that the loud roaring sound appeared to be the main issue. Considering these factors, the court granted interim relief and stayed further investigation in the case for the time being. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't just watch and scroll away. Hit that subscribe button and join the channel. It's free and honestly, it makes our day. Thank you.